Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing a makeup look for warm days. Usually I don't like to wear makeup when it's warm outside, so when I do I like to keep it natural. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's dive right in. In summer I don't like to wear any full coverage foundation, so most of the time I will be using a BB cream, and that's what we're gonna do today. I will put some on the back of my hands and then use a beauty blender to blend it into the face. One thing you might want to remember if you're doing makeup in summer is that you put on some sunscreen first. Because I'm not wearing a full coverage foundation, it would look a bit weird if I used a full coverage concealer. So I will be using a lightweight concealer. This is the one from Rimmel. So I like to apply this under my eyes, on the side of my nose, and a bit on my chin to lighten up these areas, and also on the bridge of the nose. And I will be using a beauty blender again to blend it into the foundation. To make sure the concealer won't crease, I will be using a little bit of setting powder. To powder my face, I will be using the Hoola Light Bronzer. This is a very light bronzer, so you can use it to powder your face if you want. This powder will make sure the other powders will go on smoothly. Then I will be using some liquid highlighter from PIXI to give us a sunny glow. I will also be applying that with my beauty blender. I like to put a little bit on the bridge of the nose. And also on my cupid's bow. Now I will be bronzing, and I will do this with the original Hoola. I will just use a very big bronzing brush. And I will be making a big 3 on my face. If you want, you can also use a tiny bit of the bronzing powder on the sides of your nose to sort of contour. Make sure that the bronzer you use is not too orange, because it will only work if the bronzer is a bit cool toned. So for a blush, I will of course be using the California blush. This is like a very summery shade. Now we'll quickly be doing my brows and I'll be right back. I want to keep my brows very natural too. I will be using a transparent brow gel for this to make sure the brows stay in place. I do feel like putting on some eyeshadow. I will be using this Couture Variation palette from Yves Saint Laurent. I will take a big fluffy eye brush and I will use that to put the primer all over the lid. Then I will take a blending brush and I will take some of the brown eyeshadow. I only use this color to create a shadow in the crease. Then I will be using a flat eyeshadow brush and I will dampen it a bit with face mist. This way it's easier to pick up the glittery shade. I will use this shade and I will put this all over the lid. This will be a quick and easy eye look because there's no need for anything complex when the weather is already so good. So let's continue. I will be using the light highlight shade and I will put this in the inner corner. I do want to add some extra shine and I will be doing this with the cream eyeshadow from KIKO I used in the latest first impressions video. I will just be taking a very small brush again and apply a little bit onto the lid. Now I use a tiny smudge brush to apply a little bit of the brown eyeshadow. Of course I will be using some mascara. I will use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. In summer it might be best to use a waterproof version, but I don't have it right now. Now we'll be spraying some face mist onto my face. And this is something you can just do during the whole day because it's very refreshing in summer. Then, as a last finishing touch, I will be using the Beauty Blender again to blend everything nicely together. Last but not least, I will be using a NYX Buttergloss, something on my lips. that's it, a summery makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I will see you next time. Bye!